Hello students, welcome to digital class of Mallareddy Memorial School. Today we are going to learn the topic from food components about water. We know water is an essential component required by our body. So every day human must consume certain amount of water to survive. Okay. So about 22% of our body consists of water. You can see here in this picture, our body consists of 72% of water. So water keeps our body hydrated. Water keeps our body hydrated. See here, what are the functions of water? So it supplies a vital nutrient to the life of every cell. It regulates our internal body temperature through sweating and respiration. It forms saliva. It helps in flushing waste from our body through urine. Yes. And also it lubricates joints. It acts as shock absorber for brain, spinal cord and fetus. You can see in the pictures also. Yes, so it lubricates joints. You can see here in this picture. Yes, and it acts as a shock absorber for brain, spinal cord and fetus. These are also some functions of water, and also it protects heart from shocks. It controls blood pressure. Yes, that means you can say simply as BP, right? It controls the blood pressure and it protects heart from shocks. Okay. So most of the fruits and vegetables also contain water. Yes, so by taking food also we will get the water. Not only by drinking the water, we will get the water by fruits and vegetables. In that the water will be present. Fruits like a watermelon and strawberries contains 92% of water. Okay. The fruits like a strawberries and watermelon contains 92% of water. You can see in this picture. Cucumber contains 97% of water, and this asparagus contains 96% of water. Tomatoes contains 95% of water, and broccoli contains 92% of water. Watermelon contains 92% of water, and strawberries also contains 92% of water. Pineapple contains 82% of water, and oranges contain 87% of water, and finally this raspberries contains 87% of water. Okay, in vegetables and fruits also water will be present. You can see in this picture clearly the tomatoes here 94% of water is there, and then in this 95% water is there, in this 87%, 92% of water is there, in this grapes 81% of water is there, in oranges 87% of water is there. So from all this we can say that water is an essential component to our body. See here, one question is for you. Which of the following statement is false regarding the use of water in our body? The option A is water protects heart from shocks, water forms saliva, water keeps our body dehydrated, water lubricates joints. So which one is the false from these options? We know water protects heart from shocks, water forms saliva, and water lubricates joints. So water keeps our body dehydrated is false. Water keeps our body hydrated. That is not dehydrated our body. So the option C is wrong here. Okay. And one more question. Watermelon and strawberries contains dash amount of water. The option A is 70%, option B is 80%, option C is 72% and option D is 92%. Before only I said in this picture, I show you that the strawberries and watermelon contains 92% of water. Yes. So we can simply say that the option D is correct here. The watermelon and strawberries contains 92% of water. Yes, this is about water. So we can say that water is an essential component to our body.